Hi, my name is Roger. I'm a scientist living in Montreal, and welcome to my channel Cellulin Science for Everyone. Today, we're going to talk about which kind of organic material, apart from amino acids, we can find on asteroids and meteorites. As we discussed in our previous video, there are many scientific studies that have identified the presence of amino acids on meteorites. But what else is there? So life is built on proteins that requires amino acids, and also it's built on a genetic material that transmits the information from one generation to the other. This genetic material is either DNA, desoxyribonucleic acid, or RNA, ribonucleic acid. The building blocks of a DNA or RNA are the nucleotides. And the nucleotides are composed of a phosphate, a sugar, and a base. So today I'm going to talk about the sugars. So in the past, they have identified many sugars on meteorites. But until recently, they didn't identify the sugar that is part of the genetic material, the ribose. On a paper published a couple of years ago, they were able to identify the presence of ribose, essential for the nucleic acids. This is another clue that direct us on the hypothesis that the building blocks of life come from the sky. And when I'm saying the sky, I'm saying abroad on the universe, okay? Not a metaphoric sky. So in asteroids, we have amino acids that form proteins, and for the genetic material, we have the ribose. And what else? A recent paper, it also shown the presence of nucleic bases on meteorites. So we have a lot of the components that you need for life. So again, we have a lot of clues that go in the direction that the components necessary for life may have come from asteroids and comets that impact Earth. Maybe the ingredients for life came from the sky, but this doesn't mean that everywhere on the universe where the same ingredients fall, life appeared. Thank you for listening. See you next time.